Google replaces Google Assistant in cars with Google built-in. This is the latest Google News update on Google Assistant replacement rollout update for using Google Gemini AI. So today I'm going to cover this news on this latest update. Google begins major shift to Gemini in cars. Cars is going to have AI soon. Google just officially roll out Google Gemini in vehicles that run Android Automotive OS with Google built-in, replacing the Google Assistant in supported cars. This marks one of the biggest in-car AI transition to date, moving drivers away from traditional voice commands towards a more natural conversational assistant experience. So what does Google confirm so far about the rollout? Google has stated the following: Gemini is coming to existing vehicles with Google built-in. It also will be shipped in those new vehicles with Google built-in. So look out for vehicles that has Google support. Okay, the rollout begins in the US, United States. Initial support is for English language first. Expansion to more languages and countries will follow over time. Google also confirms that cars with Google built-in when they first launched back in 2020, and these vehicles were designed to improve over time through software updates. So likely all the old vehicles from 2020 onwards that has Google built-in, right, you should be likely able to get the update to Gemini in your cars. So what make Google built-in actually means? Only vehicles with Google built-in are eligible for this upgrade. This refers to cars where Android Automotive OS runs directly on the vehicle systems. Google apps like Maps and Assistants are integrated natively. The system is designed to receive software updates from the manufacturer. This is different from the Android Auto, which only mirrors a smartphone screen. Okay, and then you will get a more natural voice experience with Gemini. Google is shifting away from rigid commands towards conversation interaction. Drivers can now speak more naturally, such as asking for places to stop along the road, refining search results with follow-up questions, requesting suggestions based on preferences like dining style or timing. Instead of repeating commands, users can continue a conversation naturally. A smarter navigation using Google Maps. Gemini is integrated with Google Maps to enhance the travel assistant. So some of the examples where Gemini can be used, like finding relevant stops along the road. For example, you're driving to some place and then you ask Gemini, find me the nearest restaurants, or maybe Japanese restaurants along the road I'm going, or things like that. Or give me some scenic spots. So, for example, I'm traveling and I'm driving. Give me some scenic spots nearby where I can go and visit, things like that. So, and then it also answers follow-up questions about suggested locations as well. So you can ask about the location suggestions, some questions, and then Gemini will answer you maybe about the restaurants, what do they serve, and all those things, what meals, what's the menu, and all that. So, and then it provides real-time travel context to help with decision making. This allows travelers to interact with navigation in a more conversational way. Okay, and in terms of there's also better messaging and communication support. So one new feature is actually the message assistance. Gemini can actually summarize incoming text messages, help draft replies, allow users to redefine messages before sending. This helps travelers stay informed without needing to manually check their phone. This is a lot safer. So pretty good. Okay. In driving, media control with natural language. Okay, so yeah, drivers can actually request music or radio stations using natural speech, using their own language, and describes modes, genre, or atmosphere instead of like specific names, adjust preferences, things like that. So this applies to support streaming and audio apps inside the car systems. Okay, so it will recognize your own local natural language, but for start it's English. Uh, okay, vehicle specific help and information. So sometimes your vehicle breakdown or need fixing. With in vehicles with Google built-in, Gemini can also access car-related information, which is very good. Google says that Gemini can answer questions using manufacturer provided owner manuals. So, and help explain vehicle features. Okay, instead of looking through her hard copy or PDF, you can straightaway ask Gemini about certain features or function and or manifesting or things like that. Help and provide guidance based on the specific car models. However, Google notes that the availability of these features depends on the vehicle brand and model. Electrical vehicle support features. For electric vehicles now, a lot of vehicles are electric nowadays. So Google has also confirmed additional functionality. Gemini can actually provide battery status information, help estimate battery levels for trips, find nearby charging stations, suggest nearby places where while charging. This is designed to make EV travel planning more convenient and informed. Okay, what's the timeline rollout and ability? And as mentioned earlier, it starts in US, United States, and it's only English language support first. As mentioned, the additional language and regions will be over time. Not sure exactly when. Yeah, eligible users will see an option inside their vehicle to upgrade to Gemini when it is available. Okay, so how drivers access to Gemini? Once available, I think users can activate Gemini using voice command. Hey Google, steering wheel controls if supported, on-screen microphone button, and infotainment systems. The experience is integrated directly into your vehicle interface. What happens to Google Assistant? Google has confirmed that Google Assistant is going to be replaced to vehicles with Google built-in as Gemini rolls out. However, rollout is gradual, meaning some users may see the Google Assistant during transition. Gemini has been introduced progressively across eligible vehicles. So why does this matter? The shift represents a major change in how in-car system works. Instead of fixed voice commands, limited response pattern, drivers can get conversational AI interaction, context-aware response, uh, deeper integration with maps, messaging, and vehicle systems. It reflects Google broader move towards AI first user experience across devices. Key takeaway. Gemini is replacing Google Assistant in cars with Google built-in. Rollout begins in the US in English. Both existing and new supported vehicles are included. Features focus on natural conversation, navigation, messaging, and EV support. Ability depends on vehicle compatibility and manufacturer support. So let me summarize. Google is upgrading in-car experience with Google Gemini, replacing Google Assistant in vehicles running Android Automotive OS. The update is not tied strictly to model use, but to whether a vehicle supports Google built-in receive official software updates. That's all. Okay. I hope you'll find this video useful. Okay. To click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like this latest news. And by the way, I post this news in my website, Crunchtechie, a tech website news. You can check it out. I'll put it in the link in descriptions. And do click my link over here to tell Google that you want to add Crunchtechie as your preferred source on Google. Okay? Yeah. Thanks. Goodbye.